Shopping for fabric online can feel like you're rolling the dice. Sometimes you get exactly what you want, and other times, not so much. That's why I like shopping at places that I know have high quality stuff. Today I'm gonna share 5 of my favorite online indie fabric stores and what I'd buy from each and exactly what I'd make with it. And stay to the end to learn how you can get discounts at all of these fabric stores and save some serious money too. Stonemountain & Daughter is one of those quintessential fabric stores that has everything you need and more. So Stonemountain is located in Berkeley, California, and fun fact, I used to live in Berkeley and I used to shop at Stonemountain & Daughter all the time in person. Their shop is amazing, the people there are amazing, it's a great place, highly recommend you support them. Their shop has been up and running for over 100 years and owned by the same family that entire time. So Stonemountain ships worldwide, so no matter where you are, you can order from them, and they have a lot of affordable everyday basics like your rayon, your linen, your denim, all that great stuff, but they also have a lot of really fun Japanese imports, and they have dead stock fabrics. Because of that, you really never know what you're gonna find, so you can pick up your everyday items and you can also find some fun surprises. I love this wool cashmere coating that they have. The color is called Clotted Cream, which is the perfect name for it. And if I were gonna buy this, I would make the Denise coat with it. I just think it would be so beautiful and so classy. Next up is Bolt Fabric. So we're really lucky here in Portland because Bolt is our neighborhood fabric store and they are awesome. Because they're here, I've touched a lot of their fabrics in person so I can really vouch for the quality. They're amazing. I love shopping for knits there. They have great colors and great quality. Their web shop also has a lot of really great photos that are very, very true to the actual fabrics, which is super helpful when you're shopping online. They also offer wide format PDF printing, so you can pick up your patterns when you're in store if you live here in Portland, or they ship them throughout the US. So Bolt is awesome if you want to get matching ribbing and fabrics like French terry. So what I would do is I would buy this ribbing from See You at 6 with the matching French terry, and I would make the Mel joggers and the Lex sweatshirt as a set. All right, next up is Emma One Sock, and you might have heard me talk about Emma One Sock because I love this store and I shop there all the time. So this is an exclusively online store. They don't have a brick and mortar store and they're located outside of Philadelphia, but they do ship worldwide. Now, Emma One Sock specializes in designer fabric. So you'll find a lot of great dead stock fabric from designers that you've heard about, and you'll also find a lot of imports from Europe. If you're struggling to find a particular type of garment fabric, they're a great place to look because they have a wonderful selection of garment fabrics. The other thing I really like about Emma One Sock is you just never know what you're gonna come across there. So if you're looking for interesting colors, interesting prints, it's a great place to shop. They also have a feature where you can see other fabrics in the same color palette, which is great if you're trying to find coordinating fabrics. Here's one I love from Emma One Sock. So this is an Italian suiting slash coating. And the thing I love about this is that it's yarn dyed. So it actually shows through on both sides of the fabric. So for this, I would do an unlined coat like the Baz coat, which is, again, unlined. It's a beautiful wrap coat. I think it would show off this print just beautifully. Next up, we have Workroom Social. So you might be familiar with Jenny Weiss. She's the owner of Workroom Social, and she's also the host of Camp Workroom Social. She's a total pillar in our sewing community. The Workroom Social is a great place to look for prints. She really specializes in rayon challis, which is a very versatile fabric, and she has an amazing range of prints. So if you're looking for rayon challis in a print that's really cool, really beautiful colors, Workroom Social is a great place to look. I just love the challis with the tiger print on it. I think this would be so cute for loungewear. I would definitely make a quince day robe out of this and just wear it to swan around the house. Next up, we have another favorite of mine, which is Style Maker Fabrics. So Style Maker Fabrics has been in business since 2014, and it's a small family-run company. They're based in Washington, but they do ship worldwide. What I love about Style Maker is how they source their fabrics. So Michelle and Sharon go to the garment district in New York and in Los Angeles, and they pick out fabrics from top designers that otherwise might end up in the landfill. While they might not always know the exact fiber content of every fabric, they have extensive fabric knowledge. They provide as much information as possible about each fabric, and you can tell they just have a real love for sewing. And if you happen to live in the Pacific Northwest like we do, they have a rentable maker space called Maker's Hideaway, so you can rent that out for sewing parties with your friends. I really love Style Maker's selection of Ponte knits. I think Ponte is such a versatile fabric. I love all of these prints that they have. I think if I were gonna make something, I absolutely love this embroidered floral ponte, and I would make a Danny dress out of this. So if you're interested in checking any of these shops out, we've linked all of them in the description below. So now I wanna hear from you. What are your favorite indie shops that you think we should add to this list? Let us know in the comments below, and be sure to tell everyone what you love about that shop. And if you're looking to save money on fabric, all the shops I talked about today offer special discounts for Seamwork members. So if you're not a member yet, check that out to get special discounts at each of these stores. When you join, you get access to our entire catalog of over 200 modern sewing patterns, from quick and easy tops to wear anywhere dresses to tailored blazers and pants. We help you to design and craft your own wardrobe. Membership also gets you access to Design Your Wardrobe, our popular course that walks you through a process for laying out a seasonal wardrobe that you can sew. Plus, membership includes our library of dozens of sew-along classes, and best of all, access to our private sewing community, including tens of thousands of members, where you can post projects, ask questions, and even find sewing friends near you. I hang out there all the time along with Haley and the rest of the team here at Seamwork, and I'd love for you to join me. YouTube subscribers get half off a Seamwork membership, making it an incredibly good deal. To sign up, just click the button on screen or the link in the description below to claim your offer. I hope you loved this video, and I'm looking forward to seeing you in the next one.